Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure of how to use Spotify made for your playlists. Let's get started. Launch the Spotify app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, navigate to the Home tab button and tap on it. On the home screen, you'll see various sections, and among them, you'll find the Made for You section. Now, select any playlist from the Made for You section. For instance, you can choose Discover Weekly or Daily Mixes. By tapping on the chosen playlist, you'll receive personalized music recommendations tailored to your taste. Let's discuss about desktop version of Spotify. Launch the Spotify app on desktop computer. Once the app is launched, look for the Home tab button, usually located on the left-hand sidebar. Click on it to access the home screen. On the home screen, you will find several sections, including the Made for You section. Now, within the Made for You section, select any playlist that catches your interest, such as Discover Weekly or Daily Mixes. By clicking on the chosen playlist, you will receive personalized music recommendations, specifically curated to suit your listening preferences. That's it. Enjoy exploring and listening to your personalized music recommendations on the desktop version of Spotify. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.